Hey everyone, we are doing day 11 today. We done. Oh my god. We done. Oh my god. Uh, yeah, micro. Uh, yeah, micro. Yeah, micro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2. Properties.
One, two,
Properties.
one, two, one, two,
One,
one,
two,
two,
three.
one, two,
One,
one,
two,
two,
three. Okay, cool.
one, two,
One,
one,
two,
two,
three. Okay, cool.
one,
Now it's
two.
working. Now it's working. Mm, 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 mm. So we good, I guess. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. Day 11 in Rust. I haven't done part 2, by the way. I find out how you can probably figure out it, but yeah, I need a lot of time for that, and I don't want just to copy paste someone solution. So probably we'll do it other day, or we will have like extra stream where we will just push through parts 2 if I will be out of pace. Out of pace. Okay, so what we have here, you continue following silence, hot springs, and eventually come across an observatory, the elf. Dude, this one is pretty cool. Pretty cool, yeah. Elf event is blah, 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 blah. He doesn't know anything about the missing mission parts, he's only visiting for this research part. However, he confirms that the hot springs are the next closest area likely to have people. He'll even take us straight there once he's done with. Maybe you can help him with analysis, speed things up. The research has collected a bunch of data and compiled the data into a single giant image. Ooh, image parsing. The image includes empty spaces and galaxies. The researcher is trying to figure out the sum of the lengths of the shortest path between every pair of galaxies. However, there is a catch. The universe expanded in the time it took the light from those galaxies to reach a observatory. Ooh. That sounds cool. Due to something involved gravitation effects, only some space expands. In fact, the result is that any rows and columns that contain no galaxies should all actually be twice as big. Is that any rows and or columns that contain no galaxies should all actually be twice as big. In the box, some free columns and two rows contain no galaxy. Three columns. Okay, these rows and columns need to be twice as big. The result of cosmic expansion therefore looks like this. Um, why we any rows and columns that contains no galaxies should all actually be twice as big. Uh, okay, I guess we have 4 here because of this one, right? Um, Equip the expanded universe of shortest path between every pair of galaxies can be found. It can help to assign every galaxy a unique number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cool. Yeah, let's just figure out the expansion. So in rows, this one is bigger, right? Any rows or columns that contain no galaxies twice as big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are we? Yeah, we had new one, right? Dude, Hey, Crims, dude. Mm, Almost got that. God bless you. Think. Okay, so we just in this case we make a copy, right? In this case, wait, we have a hint, dude. I'm trying to calculate what rows and columns. Uh, okay, that makes sense. We should probably do it with vectors or something. Did you finish this? No, no. I just started it, and then at some point I was seeing possible solutions. I mean, I was thinking about it, and then dude, there is a bunch of stuff going here. And then I was just figuring out what it can be. I think you can solve it using ray tracing algorithms. So yeah, I just do it when I will have time, because I want to resolve it by myself and don't just copy paste someone solution. So yeah, that's why I swapped to day 11, because I don't want to skip. Mm, do-do-do-do-doom. Do-do-do-do-doom. Okay. I mean, makes sense, right? And this tonight has 36 pairs. Only count. Have you done part 1, part 2, by the way, Crims? 46, 36 pairs. Only count each pair once. Other than the pair doesn't matter. For each pair, find any shortest path. For each pair, find any shortest path between the two galaxies on the steps that move up, down, left, or right. Exactly one. Pass between two galaxies is allowed to pass through another galaxy. This is another graph problem. For example, here's one of the shortest paths between galaxy 5 and 9. Yeah, dude, I was doing this stuff in one of my C games. I think I have this algo. Let me check. No, I'm ill, but still, I'm not sure that I'll be able to solve it. I mean, part 1 is not that hard. There is nothing like extra logical or there is no math problem or etc. Feel myself like a potato brain. Yeah, that's bad. Get better, Crims. Get better. So yeah, part 1 is kind of fun. Part 2 is you need to think about that or just find the solution. But even okay, ray tracing algorithm, you need to make part 1 and then figure out about it. So yeah, dude, let me see my my C data projects C game. No. No. Projects, C code. No. But looks like half part APC finally started. We'll see. We'll see. First week for everyone, the last two for competitive programmers. I guess I was like shocked by the time they doing. Like you can see, both stars and data, right? 4 minutes, dude. Like okay, let me see two. So it's like 10 minutes, right? This was day 8, day 9. Dude, 1 minute for both stars, 5 minutes max. For day 10, yeah, they try like 36 minutes, but I don't know. Like even 36 minutes, this is just a sport programming, how it's called, competitive. Yeah, I think there is another term for this. Uh, Sports programming, I think, right? Sport programming. Competitive, yeah, same, basically the same. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm too dumb for this. I mean, I'm not a competitive programmer for sure, but like 36 minutes, it's not possible for me at all. And I don't know. I think those guys are using ChatGPT anyway. Like for 10 minutes, dude, 10 minutes. Like I can't, like you can't even write it in 10 minutes. How can you solve it in 10 minutes? I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Uh, so yeah, where is my C game? What I have, it was compiling just for Zeke. Projectile, is it? No, we want, I think, enemies. All enemies dead. Calc move direction. This is what we need. Direction right. Difference X, difference Y. Yeah, I think this is the function I want to show that I can create correct prompt for ChatGPT in 10 minutes for day 10. Yeah, I mean, I guess. Like, I'm fine. I would say it's like this. I'm fine if this is real, like real competitive guys, and they did it in 10 minutes, like because they have some helpers functions, etc. I mean, I'm okay with that. But I'm not sure if they're not using like ChatGPT, right? Um, and if they use it, I'm kinda, I don't know. It's kind of depressing for me. I don't know. Maybe I just need to think they are not using it, and then it's a bit a bit easier to comprehend. Enemies process, projectile is fired, distance, difference, uh, collision. No, we want calc move direction, right? Move every fifth frame. Move every fifth frame, and we have difference, right? I mean, I can use this one. Dude, why haven't you jumped calc move direction? I can use this one. Let me just mount C data projects. Nano C game Zig C game enemies C. direction right. Dude, I was I needed to take a look direction, but I guess I'm doing -1 and +1. Cool. So we have this, and yeah, this is C function basically. So we need to change it. Read input from file calc. Let's just post it here. No static. We have function calc move direction difference return if difference y equal different x less than difference x less than 0. Different x less than 0 if I'm 2 and 4. And do I take in? Yeah, I guess I'm taking my, yeah. Should I make a num for this or just? I think I can do a tuple. I think I can do tuple. Let me just. Are we doing like size t? Size t. Rust tup. Cool. Yeah, we don't have size t, right? Primitive tuple error slide literals and number. Where is fucking number? Size t. No, not size t. What I was use size? Is it use size? Yeah. Use size. Oh wait, we don't want to use size. We want something like int. And like this, direction right mean 1 0, direction left mean -1 0, like this. Direction y, difference y if less than 0. We doing 1. Dude, I'm not sure about position. I'm not sure about position. Difference x less than 0. Yeah, int and int. Cool. Difference x from my point, if it's 0 to then I move right. Yeah. Let's just rename it difference. Difference to enemy to target defect. I don't know. Never mind. Never mind. So if it's difference y, if difference y less than 0, so this mean 4, 2 different will be, no, this is like, yeah, this will be bottom and this will be top. Dude, if else, is it like this? Try placing. Okay, let me just do cargo run bin day 10, day 11, part 1. Day 1, wait, P1. Yeah, it's fine. This if expression is missing a block of the condition, expected, yeah, I got it. vmsrc bin else makes sense, right? Same here. Else if cool. Now why I was taking random number to decide are we going right or left. So we're going left top, and in this case we don't know where we want to go, right? I mean, we can just figure out it like 0, okay. So it depends of difference. If it's 0, so if the difference is where is our advent of codes? So in this case, right, we can go right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it doesn't matter at this point. Right, so we can go I don't know, direction bottom by default. So this will be dude, I don't know, 0, 1. Wait, it depends, right? So if difference x, yeah, we need something like this. Direction right. Is it the same? I think it is. Okay. So let's just to get from Galaxy 5 to Galaxy 9, the 8 locations mark 46 pairs. Only count each pair once. Order within the pair doesn't matter. Dude, is it like minimum spanning tree for graphs? For each pair, find any shortest path between the two galaxies. Let me see input. I mean, it should be fine. Ah, graph problems. 9 because it takes. Only count each pair once. Only count each pair once. 36 pairs. Doesn't matter which pair, find any shortest path. Using only steps that moves up, down, left or right. Exactly one of the time. The shortest path between to pass through another galaxy. Then find the line of the shortest path between every pair of galaxy. What is the sum of these lengths? I mean 1, 2, 1, 3. Is it factorial? Wait, 8. Is it factorial? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dude, let me. No, wait, factorial is yeah, and we want a sum. I think, like, if we have 3 galaxies, we have only 3 pairs, right? 1, 1, 2, 3. So it's the 1, 2, 3. If a 4. Wait, dude, this is something from probabilities or something. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. Dude, let me 5 because it's 4 minus 1. Dude, how they call it? I forgot, like in the math, how they call this shit. I forgot how they call this. This is like one pair. This is because we doing 0.1. 0.1. It's 1, right? No, it's 0, 1. Like any wait. 1, 0, yeah. Dude, I don't really need this, but I want to figure out. Dude, I'll just Google. I know, like, if find pairs, find a unique pairs. Math. Yeah. Format count pair of unique numbers. Dude, no. We just need a n minus one. N is the number of items in the set. Is it in an? I'm not sure about this. So if our n is numbers in the set like three numbers, then we will have the what? Yeah. Three. This will be okay, and four. If it's four, this will be six, right? And if it's nine, is it 36? Yeah. Cool. Okay. 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 So let's just go through pairs, I guess. My only thing is like we have a lot of those. We have a lot of those, and we also want to expand. Should we focus on? Should we focus on? No, we're fine. Let's just do like brute force. So first we want to expand those, right? We have some kind of matrix. And yeah, I mean, should we change the array overall? Or just like have the indexes and just assume? I think we can just assume, right? So like go through every row and through every column. And if it doesn't have yeah, I think we can just assume this. So we have the plan. Cool. Let's just do it like this. Can we? Is it the game? Yeah, we don't have the game. We don't have the game. So we don't have calc. This is fine. We're reading input. Bum. Rust. Two-dimensional array. Rust of formworks. Box. Box. let's predict the mute sub4. Because we don't want to have we don't want to have like some kind of vector get. Let me let a vec 1 2 3, right? So here we have vec get. And this has been the type of index. Get mute. Yeah, let me just go rust docs. Rust vector vec in std. So what we have is precise set. We want get index option first element or subslice depending on the type of the index. Depending on the type of the index. Return reference to unknown. If given a range, return the subslice corresponding to a range. Yeah, I mean, it should be fine. So, in that case, we have rings buff and wrap lines. For lines, we just that's star slash str and full will be string. Vec lines. So we return a vec string, right? And we just do string. No, we have line to own it. To own it, right? Expect the strap vec string. Yeah. Dude, let me in. I just run it to get errors. Not found the scope help. Yeah, I32. Yeah, it's fine. Expected found map lines. Dude, is it? Because yeah, we won't collect, right? Right, we won't collect. And we want to change all int to dude, I think you can. I mean, we're fine, right? Yeah, prefix, that's fine. Line to own it, that's fine. And we can go through while we're doing map. I mean, yeah, let's just read at this point. Let's just read at this point. So now we're doing println and basically calc, right? And we set in the vector, we're fine with it. We're taking lines, vector string, and we will return some kind of usize. So let's do width is basically yeah, lines get should we do get uncheck? Get unchecked, unsafe. Yeah, I mean, okay. Let's do get, just get. Let's just do get. So this will return option of output, right? Because we this will return option is unwrap works for option. I don't remember. So this will be sent reference to string, and we want len, right? Right. So we have usize here. For high, we have lines len, right? And this is usize too. Cool. Unwrap, usize. So now let's go through each row, and for each row we just go through a line of dude, I forgot in lines iter is it like this? Yes, over the slice. Hey, not reading YouTube chat, I see. Do I? Oh, dude, sorry. I just it lagged for me. Do you know debug? Yeah, of course. Of course I know. Of course I know. Hey, Landmo. How you doing, guy? What's your progress on Advent of Code? Oh, you're just interested in Rust, I guess. So yeah, line. We just going through every char. So we do C in align chars. Is it? Never have been a fan of arbitrary challenges, not real ones to solve. Oh, well, depends what you are working on. Like for me, I'm pretty happy that there is such challenges, because I don't do them at work a lot. Most of my interest in challenges was embedded stuff, and most of them are related to it, basically what data structure to use, etc. Yeah, so it depends what you're working on. So we're going through each. Let mute row empty false. I understand others like it just isn't my thing. Yeah, for sure, for sure. I understand you. I mean, I basically most of my free time I'm doing game dev stuff. But because Advent of Code started, I'm doing it. But yeah, I'm like to focus on gaming and trying to make my game. I don't know. Like I had the idea for overall like 5 years, and maybe started it like 3 months. Um, yeah, trying to get it work, and we'll see. I think I'll start Kickstarter or something at some point. So yeah, subscribe to channel and you will see progress on this. But for now, we're doing Advent of Code for sure. Line chars. Okay. So basically, if char equal what we have here, if it's then row empty equal false. I mean, should we do like this? What is your interest, Alma? Like maybe playing games, playing music? Are you working in like a software developer, or you just uh, like it? Because I'm doing it for more than 10 years now. And yeah, I can suggest any like some interesting stuff if you want to talk about it. And we need positions, right? We need positions. There is like enumerate, right? So enumerate will return tuple, view size in char I and C, right? Yeah. Just to check, enumerate. It's consuming. It's consuming iterator. It's fine. It's fine. Working in a small company is a dev, lots of different fields, web dev, backend, ETL, database, small bits of embedded. Sounds cool. Sounds cool. So you're basically doing all of this, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Line. Let's just do like this, row and column. No, not the row, column. Col and row. Enumerate here too. And what technologies are you using on work? Like what languages? I don't know. Yeah, just more like what languages. Just curious. So we have row and col, right? We want we want a vector of those. let's mute Galaxies as vec of tuples, use size. Company does two things mainly: a pest prediction model for vineyards and groundwater soil pollution cleanup. Oh yeah, so cool. There is embedded for sure. Yeah, sounds cool. Galaxies push append, how it append, yeah. Append, and we want append a row and column, right? Argument incorrect. Is this because of tuple? This is not append. Let's push. TP and some JS. There's some Delphi too, but I don't touch that. Oh, dude, Delphi. Like I was working on it. Like when my first work was basically first and second. I think I have like overall like 4 years of Delphi or something. That was pretty interesting stuff. Mostly, yeah. I mean Delphi. It's mostly desktop application, Windows application. Okay, so we will go in. If it's C to the doom, we say in rows empty false and galaxy push row and call, right? So we have galaxies we need. And I think we don't need numbers for those, right? I think it is. Yeah. And we need to know if row is empty. By the way, like this. Right, because we're going through each of those. To enumerate, is there just enumerate something? Lines, enumerate, yeah, just buffer. Row line, row empty. And after that is let's do it like these empty rows. Use size here. And an empty columns, right? And if this row is empty, we want empty rows push and basically index row. Cool. So this one for rows, and we can go for columns. Dude, for columns. For columns. Should we just do like row? Should we optimize this a bit? Vector, vector, vector. Yeah, let's just let's just do dump way. So we have width and high, right? We actually don't need it till each column. Bum, ba, ba, bum. So now we need to go through the high. No, not through the high. Like one. So this is yeah. I mean, it's fine. This should be fine for so we go in through columns with right. With yeah, this is because do we have range or something? Rust range for range. Yeah, 1 till 10. Yeah, okay, makes sense. So we go in 0 with right. Yeah. So if it's 4, we will have 0, 1, 2, 3. And now we want for every line, right? For line in line lines iter enumerate row line. So we take in line, and for every line we want to get by call empty true. Call empty true. Or we can just, I think we can just go through not lines, but through galaxies, right? We can go through galaxies, and if galaxy on those call galaxy in galaxies iter, and we take reference to usize. If galaxy, dude, is it like this? If I remember correctly. So what we have is like if column, right? Column is y. No, it's x. It's x. Or is it? I think I'm wrong here. So row, this is y, and this is call right, and if 0 equal call, then call empty equal false, and we break, and I hope break will work for this one. Call empty false. So if galaxy, wait, I have used find, right? Find, no, has find. Oh man, let's leave it like this. So is galaxy x equal column, then call empty equal false, and we break. But what we want to do if call is I'm not sure we need call empty, but for convenience let's just leave it as it is. If call empty, then empty calls push, and we push call, right? And I think this is it. We don't need high because we're using lines. And let's just debug this, right? So what we want is galaxies. We want empty rows, and we want empty calls. Read input, we want test. We want test. We don't need assert, right? It is essential. Yeah. Cargo test. Can we do cargo test bin? Day 11. No bin target name day 11. Day 11 P1? Yeah, day 11 P1. Cool. Debug to do it. Is this because of test? Cargo fix. Yeah, I guess it is. Let me then go like this. This is because T10, T11 test. And we don't have D11 test. Let's get it from here, like this. Yes, D11 test, cool. And this should, but it shouldn't. Yeah, I guess. Dude, I think the bug should work for test. Test. Did you mean? Yeah, I mean run, dude. You're right. Okay, so what we have here? We have, dude, where it is? We have galaxy 3 0 0 1 2 3, cool. 7 1 makes sense. 0 2 4 9 0 9. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Empty rows 3 and 7. 3 4 5 6 7. Empty columns 2 5 8. 2 5 0 1 2 3 4 5 8. Cool, right? So we good with it. We're good with it. So we have our move direction, remove, it's fine, collect. So now what we want is get all the pairs, and we could write for pairs we have galaxies. Uh, uh, uh. Yeah, right. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. By the way, is it like pairs, pair, pair, vec, pairs, I don't know, group by, group by, slice, iter next. Mhm. Yeah, it should be flatten. No, yeah, I guess we just go through it, do that like this isn't chunks. No, this is not Windows. Instead of overlapping windows of elements of slice that at the beginning slice is generic equivalent of Windows. A translator over continuous windows of length. Yeah, just I got it. I got it. Okay, then let's go through. Let's go through. So we have galaxies LAN. What we want to do is IG1 in galaxies iter enumerate. So we're going through each galaxy, and for each of those we take, yeah, it's just bubble sort, but yeah, let's do it like this. A equal galaxies LAN Dude, I forgot how to do bubble sort. Bubble sort. Yeah, let just fucking yeah, loop. Yeah, okay. Range LAN array and range from 0 to LAN array. Yeah, makes sense. Tomb. So a in 0 galaxy LAN and J in 0 uh, galaxy -1 and minus I and -1, right? Is it like this? Let me think. If we have like 1, 2, 3, no, like 0, 1, 2, so we will have 0, 0. No, wait. Not 0, 0, dude. Not 0, 0. We have J plus 1. Why we have J plus 1? I mean, I think it's fine. So this will be 1. Then this will be 2, right? Galaxy len minus I minus 1. So 2. 2 from 0, 0 to 2. Cool. Then we will take 1. And J will be J will be this is not what we want. This is not what we want. We want start from I plus 1 till galaxy's len, I guess. This is true? This will be 0 and 1. You can do rows and calls called D. Hey, Miser. You can do rows. What? Rows and calls D called separately. What do you mean? Like we are going through galaxies right now, and we need to have all the pairs. Dude, poor spell checker. Yeah, I got it. Rows and columns separately. But here we want to compare every of a galaxy with the other one, so we have pairs, right? So J will be 1 till 2, and then J will be, so this is 1, 3, 2, okay, then we're doing 1, and this should be 2, right? Yeah, I guess. Let's just bring this like this, A and G. Cargo run, cool. We have 9. Yeah, I mean they just start not from 1 but through 9. So we should have 36 pairs, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Yeah, just will be. Dude, let me in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 6 more, right? Cool. So we have pairs. Now we just compare those. And we have what we can do is we can do calc steps, and we give him a pointer. I'm not sure it will be good, but should be fine. And we give him E and G, right, indexes. Calc steps. Let's do it. Use size steps. Expected one of yeah, sorry, my bad. Sorry, my bad. Calc steps. We get in galaxies. Reference to vector of usize, and then we have a usize, I mean, and j, right? Cool, and we return usize. So we want to take G1 as galaxy get, I unwrap. Yeah, it's not go, return 0, cool, and G2, right? And now we just need to find out a number of calculate direction. Yeah, I mean, we can just calculate it, right? We can just calculate it. Dx plus dy. Let me just prove it. So yeah, this one is expanded. For 5, it's for 5 it's 0. X is 1. Y is 1. Let's just we have zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And for 9, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, this is after the expand, right? Right. Cool. Dude, I need to figure out. So we have 9 steps, right? And this is because because it takes a minimum of 9 steps to get from yeah, 5. Wait, this is not 0, this is 1 what I'm doing. So basically this is 4, right? Just for the sake of, and 5, cool. But what we need is we need to know if column or row was used, right? So here we have 5, right? So at first it was it was 1 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 9 was 9 was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. So we had 3 plus 4 and it was 7. But because we have, so basically we need to check between 4 and 1. And there is, right, there is one of those. There is one of those. 0, 1, 2. Yeah, so there's that can be only like 2 and 3, right? And because we have 2, that's why it became +1. And because we have 6, it's for y, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, makes sense. So makes sense. So we just do diff as g1 g1 g2. I mean, we can do apps, right? But we don't need, because our IG will be, yeah, I think we can do like g1 plus plus g2 1 minus g1 1, right? And it should be use size. So we have diff, and now we want to go through yeah, I think let me just put it here, because we will just need to push all the changes. Cool, right? So we have diff, and we want to go through empty rc. Right. We want to go through empty rc, so we go r in empty rows, iter um, and let's just do it steps and mute, and we have air, and our air is pointed to use size. So this is our row, empty row. And if wait, empty row, empty row, right? Yeah, and if so, this is G row. This is Y. And if empty, dude, what the hell? Empty row. More than G. So this will be G1 for sure, right? 01. G1 1 and empty row less than G2 1. Yeah, can we do if I do iter yeah, fine, to reference it, then we do in steps plus plus, and I don't think, yeah, and same for columns, right? Empty col, empty cols, 0 0 empty col. Dude, help me, kill right. Steps. So let's just do print ln. Like this, and we want this, and this should be dude, this is use size, right? And G1, G2, and steps. Use size doesn't implement debug. Dude, I bet you can. Yeah, cannot be formatted, displays, not, yeah, in format strings, you meant, yeah, for pretty print instead. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. True is this should be fine, like this. Yeah. Freed main, cool. Subtract with overflow. 77. Let's just attempt to subtract before overflow. This is because basically 77. Yeah, dude, it's not 77. Still, yeah. Oh, this is because yeah, let me just check, but but 3 0. Yeah, absolute for sure. Why even think it will be like this? Wait, so we don't need this one, and we want apps CMD. Cool. Just not this one, but this one. Right, so is this, this is just apps, right, on self primitive. Okay, so there's 6 apps diff y, apps diff. Computes absolute between self and other. This function, the correct answer without overflow or panic but to an unsigned integer. Absolute value mean cannot be yeah. Apps diff. Use size. Okay, thanks. So we have apps diff plus apps diff. So we have, let me just double check all this stuff. So for 3, 0 and 7, 1 we have 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do the thing, it's fine. Let's just do math for this. So we want sum, right? Use size, sum equals 0. Yeah, this is not a C, so we do let sum use size. And we do sum plus steps, and we return sum, and twice the mutable variable makes sense. Let mute. Cool, and we print calc, right? And we have the, and that's not the correct answer. Okay, we go in 0949. So this puzzle because it takes many online steps to get from Galaxy 5 to Galaxy 9. In these 9 galaxies there are 36 pairs, only count each pair. Did I 0, 9, 0, 9 and 4, 9, and then B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right. Do what we can did wrong. Let's just calculate a bit different. I mean, print it a bit different because this is not very useful, right? We can do I plus 1 and j plus 1. So from 1 to 2 we have 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 1, 3, and we go until 1, 9, right? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is because yeah, this is because the diff, right? Yeah, I got it, I think. So we want 1, 3. Let me just see. Let me just see. So this is a problem. When we have empty row, we comparing, I think, empty rows. Empty rows, G11, G21. So G11 can be, yeah, we need to take minimal from this, right? And find between. Dude, I think for us there is like find between. Is it, if there is like between, steps between. Dude, there is even steps between. What's this? The number of 6 steps required to get from start. LOL, dude. That's nuts. But we want between, but not the steps. I don't know, inside? No, no inside, okay. No inside, so we take minimum, we take maximum, and we are good, right? So what we want is min if G1 more than less than G21. Dude, if then we do J11. No, this is not what I want. I want. Dude, I think you can do like min, max, then match. Can you? Oh, you can do G1, G21, then that should be tuple of J11 and G21, right? And else this should be a tuple of G21 and G11. And are we good with those? I think we are. Right, G1, G1, G11, G21. Yes. So should we do more than min and empty row less than max? And we do same here, but now we're comparing zeros. Zeros, can we do dot one? Dot one, what the fuck? Dot zero. Global. Cool. Min, max, right. If empty call more than min and more less than max. Is this the right answer? 374. Did I fuck one number? No, we good. 374. Okay. So let's just get input then. Not but exe input day 11. We print it here. We do change print ln right boom, and we do d11 test input d11, and I think that's it. At least I hope that's it. Yeah. Okay. Part 2 then. Let me just read, because if it's I think it can be the galaxy much older and those much farther apart than the research initially estimated. Now, instead of the expansion you did before, make each empty row and column 1,000,000 times larger. Each empty row should be replaced with okay. Yeah. In the example of each empty row column 1,000,000 times larger, the sum of the shortest paths between every pair of galaxies would be in the example above if each empty row column 1,000,000 times larger. Times larger, so much shortest path between every pair of galaxies would be. However, your universe will need to expand far beyond these values. Then fine, dude. Is it easy? Because it seems easy at first. It seems easy, at least at first. Only a small change. Yeah. Well, but at least I see it like this. So is this example right from the test? So let me change d1 test and just do cargo bin. No. Should the soonest shortest path between every pair of galaxy would be 1030. 10 of 100. If each empty row column were merely 100 times larger. Do I need to change it? Plus 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1. 100 times larger. Yeah, you're right. Let's just do like 10 times. So like 9, right? I suppose it's 9. Yeah. Okay, but we want minus 1, right? Let me just do a fucking const here. Inc u size and inc here plus -1 and inc here -1. Let me just yeah, I guess that should dude, is it just a big number? Do we need 128 bytes for this? Yeah, I guess what is the sum of these lengths? And we had this. I don't know. Yes, I should be enough. Yeah, I guess because we had only steps. Steps is usize. Dude, I don't know. For some reason, it's not a answer is too low. If you're stuck, make sure you're using the full input data. Yes. You said should be enough on 60-bit machine. Dude, I think this is not enough. Or did I fuck up my calculation? Dude, D11 test, yeah, sure. And put D11. Wait, submit an answer before 22nd. Okay, I'll wait 22nd. Let me wait 22nd. I am waiting 22nd for this, for no reason, because they don't want me to paste it here. Dude, why they did it like so easy? I mean, okay. I guess that's fine. Yeah, and we're streaming almost for 2 hours. I'm still not ready to do part 2. So I guess we're fine for today. Thank you guys, and we will do then. Now let me check. The 11. Distance between galaxies. Call short, call brief, galaxy call. Galaxy calls. Include str. Cool. Thanks, Mizard, for this one. And yeah, I'll push my changes to my GitHub too, so you guys can subscribe to my channel. Again, I'll copy paste it here, and GitHub. If you're interested in my results, I have bunch of languages here, like Zig, C, Go, Rust, AVK, LOL. Yeah, you can take a look. My changes, I'll push them right after the stream. So thank you guys for stream. Subscribe to Twitch and YouTube, and see you tomorrow. Have a good day or night. Bye.